Hey guys, welcome back to day 14 of the AutoCAD Electrical Masterclass. Today we will be working with two major commands, move and align. They are used for quick repositioning of objects and for precise orientation and placement. So let's get started. First of all, let's start with the move command. So let us draw a figure, simply a rectangle here. For that, I will type REC rec command and press enter. Then I can draw a rectangle like this. So to simply move this, I can just select this like this and grab on anywhere in the rectangle by pressing and holding the left click. And now I can move this wherever I want. Similarly, if I got more than one object, let's say a circle, CAS here is circle. Let me build a circle here. So if I want to move these two objects, I simply have to select them like this and grab anywhere by pressing the left click on your mouse and holding it. And by moving your mouse, you can move your objects. Now, this movement is random. In engineering, precision is very necessary. So let's say suppose you want to move this figure from this exact point in a certain angle or certain distance exactly. So for that you need the command move command or move command. Now you have to press enter and you have to select object. You can select object manually or can simply select the objects first and then use the move command. Then now when I finish selecting the object, I can simply press enter. Then I have to specify the base point. Let this be my base point. Now from that point I can move this figure with certain precision, let's say at certain distance with certain angle like this. So this is the most used method as it is more professional and will make your schematic cleaner and help you with precision. Now moving forward from move, let's go to aligning object. So aligning object is most essential feature in AutoCAD Electrical as you have to place different switchboards or switches in a room. So let's get an example of a room. So for a room, we'll simply draw a rectangle like this. Rectangle. So this will be my rectangular room. Now I have to place a let's say a switch here. For the switch, let's say I will give a symbol of triangle. So to draw a triangle, you simply have to type polygon. Then you have to enter number of sides. That will be 3 and press enter. Then you have to this is your center point. This is your center point. I will simply scribe in the circle and here you go. My rectangle is drawn. So now this rectangle, let's say, is a symbol for switchboard, or let's say a switch, and you need this switch to be placed here in the room. So how can you do that? You can let's say without any using any command, or let's say simply you can layman will do is that you will select the object like this and move it like this. Then we place it here. Then after that you will select it again and press rotate and enter, and you will specify the base point and rotate it like this. Sorry. Rotate and you select the object, press enter, and like this. You rotate like this, then you again select it and move it like this. So this is quite tedious and it's hard to align and the precision is very much difficult by this process. So there must be a certain suitable way to exactly land this switch here with precision and with simplicity. So for that, we have the command align. So let me do Ctrl+Z. Oh, sorry. The rectangle is gone. Let me draw another triangle. So polygon, POLY, polygon, number of side 3, then press enter. This will be my center, inscribed in a circle, and this will be my rectangle. Now I want this rectangle perfectly aligned with this wall in the room. So this base will go here. So for that, I simply have to type ALIGN align. Now I have to select object like this and press enter. Now I have to specify the first source point. So this point will be first source point, and then I have to specify the destination, first destination point. Let this be my first destination point. Now I have to specify the second source point. So this is my second source point. Then I have to specify this second destination point. Let's say this be my second destination point. So if you want third source point, you can go again and again, but I will need only this much of the point. Now I have to simply select enter. Now scale object based on the alignment points. So it basically does is that it will scale the object according to this distance, but I don't need that now, so I can simply say no. So here you go. The triangle is perfectly aligned inside the rectangle. So let's say if you want this triangle now to be aligned on this wall, so you can simply type align AL command, and then you can simply select object and then press enter after selecting the object, and now we have to situate the first point. So this will be my first point, and the destination point will be this. Similarly, this will be my second point, and my destination point will be this, as you can see in the scene. Source point, destination point. Then I have to simply press enter, as I don't need any third source point and destination point, and enter. Now, no, I don't want to scale object based on the alignment position, so I'll simply click no. Oh, we ran into a problem. This was supposed to be inside the rectangle, not outside the rectangle. So in that case, what we can do? So here is a simple trick. I wanted you to show that trick, so simply let's say Ctrl+Z. Now for that, you can simply again go to align, ALIGN or AL align. Oh, sorry. The command is unknown. Let me skip AL aligned. Then I have to select the object. This is my object, and press enter. Then I have to say the first point. So now I'll do is a crisscross. So this is my first destination point. For second destination point, this is my second destination point, and the source point, and this will be my second destination point, like this. And when I press enter, no, I don't want it to be scaled, so no. So here you go. The triangle is perfectly aligned inside the rectangle. This was a small trick which will be very handy when you draw huge amount of drawing and you are about to align those and move those switchboards or switches or any electric equipments here and there in the rooms. You will be going with many rooms. So the real old use case is moving and aligning standard symbols like relays or switches in the schematic position, aligning blocks to grid lines or parabolas. So this is much for day 40. Don't forget to download the day 14 assignment PDF below and practice these techniques. So like this video, drop your questions in the comments, subscribe for daily AutoCAD electrical lesson. Don't miss any lesson and be consistent with your journey. Thank you.